How to use one for all gift card on Amazon. Now, in this very quick video, I'm going to provide you additional information or details for you to use your one for all gift card for Amazon. Now, first things first, unfortunately, you will not be able to immediately swap out or use your one for all gift card directly into Amazon because this is actually a third party visa. What you can do is you can swap or redeem your one for all gift card first into their official website and use the option here that says buy now. And then from buy now, just simply use the one for all gift exchange into purchasing an Amazon gift card. Now, once you have purchased an Amazon gift card, this is where you can redeem the specific gift card directly from Amazon official site, and then you just need to input your redemption account or activation codes. And that's it. That's how you use one for all gift card to Amazon.